Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a thermometer app using MIT App Inventor. So in the left side, you'll see here the sensors, and you can see here we have thermometer. Using this, you can get a temperature, right? So how we can get it? So first of all, make sure your device should support this sensor, okay? Most of the device doesn't support. Let's go to the user interface and just drag and drop one button here like this. Cool, we have one button. Rename it to the enable like this, and one is disable. Okay, I'm going to just make that with is like 70%, and I'm going to make that the screen should be horizontal, should be center, and vertical should be center like this. I'm going to just change this to font bold, make it font bold, and font size should be 18 something. And I'm going to just change that to the color is something like this one, like this, and I'm going to just change that text color to the white. I have that enabled button. Now let's use the disable button also like this. Okay. Now I need here one label that will display the temperature. Okay. Temp like this. I'm going to just make it 20 like this. Cool. Now whenever we screen, so whenever our screen will initialize, let's go to the block. So first of all, click on a screen and you can see that whenever the screen will initialize, we need to check our device support the sensor or not. And you can see the option of thermometer available. Okay, call it here. Click on the control and just call it if, and just call it here. So when this condition is true, it means that support the sensor. Then we need to display label. Okay, like this, and label.text like this. Device supported or something. Okay, supported. Okay, like this. Or you can just do one more thing here. Just click on this sliding icon and make it else like this. And now we just need to do this is else and just drag and drop like this. Okay, and make sure this is unsupported. Cool. Now this will happen. Okay, now when we enable it, okay, we need to get a temperature. So click on the sensor and you can see here the option of temperature like this one. Now what we need to do here, click on the label 1 and you can see the label 1.text, this one. Just call it here. In the one label, we are getting everything is like this is supported or not supported. If supported, then once people click on this button, so that will get a temperature. Okay, but I need to do one thing here. Click on text and just use a join. So I can have the temperature value and I can have the text also. You can copy the text from here and just here temperature like this. Cool. Now for us another button like button 2, what I can do here, I can just remove the text from here. Like let me just remove everything from here like this and just drag and drop it and just get nothing. You can just like this draw line. Cool. So that will not display the temperature. Cool. Now another thing what I'll do here, click on temperature. You can see when the temperature change, okay, then I'll call it this component here. Okay, and make sure what I'll do here, I'll just remove this and I call this temperature here. That's pretty cool. Cool. So now what will happen whenever we open our app, that will check this sensor supported or not. If yes, then this will print in a label is like supported. If not, that will display the unsupported. Once it's say supported, you can click on the button 1, and once people click on button 1, so that will fetch the temperature and that will display in the label 1 text. And if you don't want to see that, you can just click on the button 2 to remove the text from the label 1. Okay, and whenever the temperature change from this parameter and display in the label 1.text. So this is the simplest app we have created using the MIT App Inventor. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.